Harrison from Invictus Porsche. I'm currently new to the team and I'm going to present to you this Toyota MR2. Okay, so the first generation of Toyota MR2 was released in June 1984. The car used very similar parts to the Toyota Corolla, which was the 4AGE engine. So the Toyota MR2 is a sports car which essentially uses economy car parts. The Toyota is very similar to the Porsche 356 which is based off the air-cooled Volkswagen Beetle. So in 1989, the second generation of the Toyota MR2 was launched, which thanks to the turbo models, pushed the car away from the imminent Mazda MX-5, which was soon to be released later on in the same year. The second generation of the Toyota MR2 uses parts from the Toyota Celica, including the 3S series engine, also known as the Beam engine. So this Toyota MR2 is the third generation, which was released in 1999 in Japan. The rest of the world received this generation in the early 2000s. This model uses parts from the Toyota Celica, such as the 1.8 ZZ engine series. So as with many cars, this car is not perfect. One of the main problems with this car is practicality, and the fact that it doesn't have any practicality. If I should come around here and show you the size of the boot, it is big enough to fit one spare tyre and one shopping bag. So one of the most common problems with the Toyota MR2 is the rotting of the rear subframe. Now I can assure you on this specific car, it has been checked and the rear subframe is in very, very good condition. So another common problem with these Toyota MR2s is that if they have not been looked after well, then the engine will start to burn oil. However, this car has been serviced and maintained to a very high standard, and I can assure you that this car does not have any engine problems. So this Generation 3 Toyota MR2 comes with a TTE styling package. Now this comes factory from the main dealership and looks so great on this Toyota MR2. So this Gen 3 Toyota MR2 comes with a hardtop spec, and the fitting kit comes factory, which is very rare to find and extremely expensive, almost costing the same amount as the hardtop itself. So this Toyota MR2 has a full leather interior with the MR2 logo embossed into the seat. The car has an air conditioning unit to keep you cool, and this car comes with the factory stereo. So stepping into this MR2 is a crazy experience. This is like driving a little go-kart, just made for the road. The lightweight, the gears, the engine, the environment that you get from this car whilst driving is insane. If you really want a nice, low-budget sports car, then this is the car for you. The sound, the gear changes, it's just incredible. That is lovely. That gear change is beautiful. So this MR2 is completely stock with every single factory item still on the car, including the stereo. Now this car was around in an era where many people would modify and put aftermarket parts onto their car. But this car, like I said, is completely stock and every single part is from factory. So this MR2 has a 15 stamp service history from Toyota itself. As you can see, the leather and the interior of this car are immaculate, and this car has been maintained internally and externally to immaculate condition. And if you are looking for a sports car that is just going to put a smile on your face and you don't have to worry about because it's been well looked after, then this is the car for you. So the fact that this car is a convertible just makes the experience that much more, that difference. Driving around with the roof down, you can hear the engine. You're low to the ground. It's an experience like no other. Now this might not be your Porsche or your Ferrari or your Lamborghini, but this is the car if you want something that's going to put a smile on your face, something that you feel like you're involved in the car. Every gear change, every time you put your foot on the pedal, it's just it just brings smiles to your face. It is incredible. So guys, that was the review on this Gen 3 Toyota MR2. If you did like the video, please leave us a like and subscribe, and if you want to leave us a review on what you thought about the car, then don't be afraid to comment down below, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one.